Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best liquid Castile soaps that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Dr. Bronner's Pure-Castile Magic Liquid Soap. With this Dr. Bronner's Castile Peppermint Liquid Soap, your skin and hair will look healthy and silky, and your house will be clean and tidy. This product, made from organic and vegan ingredients, contains no preservatives and synthetic detergents, so it is perfect for gentle and nourishing whole-body cleansing. Based on coconut, olive, and hemp organic oils, it soothes, hydrates, and nourishes your skin. This organic, pure liquid soap can be used for almost any chore task. A little goes a long way, for it is highly concentrated and is to be diluted before utilizing, unless you are going to use it as an insect repellent. It is also worth mentioning that the manufacturer is committed to ethical sourcing, and this soap is cruelty-free certified, which means it has never been tested on animals. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Oregon Soap Company Liquid Castile Soap. Unscented, toxins, gluten, and soy-free, this mild liquid oil soap will gently clean your skin and hair. Foaming up well, this all-purpose liquid soap is perfect for self-grooming. Alternatively, you can use it as one of the ingredients for your DIY green household cleaning recipes. Today, organic and vegan self-care products are growing in popularity. More and more people recognize the simple truth that taking care of the earth is no less important than keeping their body and home clean. Oregon Soap Company uses renewable energy sources and biodegradable packing material and plants trees to offset greenhouse gas emissions. Buying this product, you will keep your skin beautiful and healthy, while making no harm to our planet's well-being. At number 3, we have the Dr. Bronner's Pure-Castile Magic Non-GMO Soap Liquid. If you are looking for a smooth soap that will leave your skin freshened and moisturized, boost your energy level in the morning, and will help to relax and rejuvenate after a long day, try this fantastic Dr. Bronner's Liquid Castile Citrus Scented Soap. Enriched with organic lemon, orange, and lime oils, it has a delightful citrus scent and creates an emollient lather that makes it an ideal multi-use liquid soap. You can apply it full strength to your skin and hair to keep them healthy and beautiful, or add to water for all kinds of household cleaning purposes. This fully biodegradable liquid soap is packaged in PRC plastic bottles. At number 2, we have the Cove Castile Soap Unscented. This mild cleanser, enriched with nourishing ingredients, is ideal for sensitive and baby skin. Argan, jojoba, and hemp oils are known for their rejuvenating properties. They hydrate and soften your skin. They give your hair a healthy shine and tame frizziness. You can use the product as it is, or add your favorite essential oils to the liquid to create your own beauty elixir. The Cove Oil Unscented Soap is much more than a self-care product. It can be diluted and used for most of the cleaning tasks around your house. You can even use it as a pet shampoo to make their fur soft and silky. No detergents or other chemicals are added, so it won't make any harm to you, your family, your pets, or the environment. And finally, at number 1, we have the Dr. Woods Raw Liquid Black Soap. Raw black soap is an ancient cleansing product made from plantain skins. The manufacturer has combined it with liquid olive oil soap to create a truly unique formula. Exfoliating dead skin cells in a natural and gentle way, this Dr. Woods Raw Black Soap leaves your skin smooth, velvety, and moisturized. Its all-natural formula containing olive, hemp, and coconut oil, and enriched with palm kernel oil, shea butter, and plantain skins, works wonders to nourish your skin with essential vitamins and micronutrients for luxurious face and body care. The product is safe for everyday use, and it suits all skin types. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.